Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Nur Syahira binti Syahiful Bahari. My metric number is D20171079 So today I would like to doing my individual assignment, which is I would like to introduce the hardware in the computer, and then I will show how to install the Windows 10. So for the first thing is, I would like to present about how what is the safety that we have to first we have to safety first. So the number one is make sure the table or the place that we want to install the hardware is clean, and then turn on the lamp. And the next is using the reasonable tools skills, and then is turn off all the energy power, and make sure don't joking or play around the table or the place that we want to install the hardware. And for the last is make sure that when we complete the installation, we have to wash the hand. So now I would like to introduce what the hardware that include in the computer component. This is a CD-ROM, which is the compact disk function to read only memories. It to be used as a storage computer graphic, text and audio. The second one is hard disk drive, which is a storage device for save and get the digital information. And next is the floppy disk. It can be write and read to the small part that have mixed with logam. The computer program can be give the instruction to hardware so that file can be write to floppy drive. And the next is a motherboard, which is one of the important part in the computer system. And then is the graphic card. That is a component computer that was functioned to create picture output and then display the monitor. So now the slide display the RAM, which is a computer component that being function to save data for a while from program. And next is SATA cable and module cable, which is the function to connect component to other component. So now I would like to introduce the Windows 10. What is the Windows 10? Windows 10 is a personal computer operating system developed by Microsoft as a part of the Windows NT operation system family. Introduced on September 13, 2014, released on July 29 on the 2015. So the first introduced in April 2014 at the Build conference. Windows 10 aimed to address the shortcomings in the user interface first, introduced by Windows 10 by adding additional machine designed to the enhance the user experience for device without touch screen, such as desktop computer and laptops, including the revival of the start menu seen in Windows 7, the virtual desktop system, and the ability to run Windows Exchange application in the desktop window rather than full screen mode. So now I would like to introduce how to install Windows 10. So I have been Google the step by step how to install the Windows 10, and now in this website we will learn how to install Windows 10. So for the first step is we have to make sure that our device meets the minimum system requirement. So for the example, CPU, RAM, storage, GPU, display, and internet connection. And then second step is the installation. The Microsoft have a tool specifically for creating installation media, so that we can download that tool using this link, or go to the page that the website provide, and select the download tools now. And we have to use the installation media, which is we have to insert our installation media into the computer that we have planned to install Windows 10 on, then access the computer BIOS or and next is we have to change the computer boot order. So in the computer BIOS or UEFI, we need to find the setting for boot order, so that may show up in a section called boot order. This decide which device are used first when the computer start. And the last step is we have to save setting and exit the BIOS or UEFI. So that's all. That's all for my video individual assignment. Thank you.